Today we will create this beautiful fruit basket in this tutorial. So let's start today's tutorial. I'm choosing the front plane and make it normal. From sketch, I'm selecting the corner rectangle and draw a corner rectangle here of the dimension. This one is 3 mm and the other one is 10 mm. Press OK from here. Select the midpoint of this and this point, make it coincident. Press OK. Now I'm choosing all and from here I'm making it construction geometry, selecting this line and make it a geometry line. From here I'm selecting all this rectangle and selecting the circular sketch pattern. From here I need 3 equal spacing pattern. From here press OK and from spline I draw a spline here and will make this line and this line tangent relation. Similarly this line and this line are tangent relation. From smart dimension I will give dimension to this as 25 mm. Similarly to this I'm giving this dimension as 25 mm. Press OK. Now again I will select the circular sketch pattern. From here selecting this line, clear this selection and choosing delete this one. First of all I'm choosing this point, then selecting this one and I need here 3. Press OK and from here OK. From features I'm selecting the extrude boss base and from here I'm selecting the offset because I will offset this extrude boss or base from here at 75 mm and here I'm giving this dimension as 15 and this one as mid plane. Press OK from here. Now I will select the top plane, make it normal and sketch a circle here like this and I will draw another circle here. From line I will draw a line here. From smart dimensions I will give this dimension as 150. Press OK and this dimension as 25 mm. Press OK and this one as 5 mm. Press OK and selecting this circle, press Ctrl button from keyboard and selecting this point and make a relation coincident here. Press OK. I will trim this, that part is not needed to me. Press OK and from here I will just select extrude boss or base. I will select the revolve boss or base from here and selecting this line and press unmerge result from here and press OK. Now it has been drawn and from here I will select the combine command. You can also see this, where is this command, like this. Combine, enter, see this, insert features and combine like this. You can also choose from here and I will select common from here and selecting this one and this one. Press OK. This is the common part. Now I will give fillet here of 1.5, giving this value as 1.5. Press OK. Similarly this one and this one. Press OK. Now I will select the front plane, make it normal and sketch the front plane. I will draw a center line here from here, select this line, press Ctrl button from keyboard, select this edge and make a parallel relation here, press OK. Now I will just go to direct editing. From here I will select move or copy. From here move body, this one, and number of copies are 6, and rotate along this one and give the value here as 7.5 mm. Press OK, as you can see that. And here now I will again go to combine, select this and add these all bodies here, press OK. Now I will draw an axis here. For this I will select the front plane and right plane and press OK. Now I will again go to direct editing. From here selecting move or copy bodies. From here I'm selecting this one, and number of copies are 3, and rotate along this axis degree. I will give this as 7.5. Now press OK. Again combine all these and select all these bodies, press OK. From here now it has been combined, and just I will again go to the circular pattern. From here direction I will select this axis, and from here from the bodies I will select this combine, and here I will choose 12 number of patterns and press OK. Now I will again combine all these bodies, and I will select all these and press OK from here. Now it has been combined from here, and I will just add a plane here, and I will select the first reference point as this one and the second one as the top plane, and press OK from here. I will just sketch a circle here, and will give this dimension as 152 mm. Press OK. Now exit this sketch, and here I will just hide this axis and hide this plane, and from here I will select the front plane, make it normal, draw a hexagon from here, and will make this one as horizontal and this dimension as 3 mm. Press OK. Now I will again select a circle from here and will give this dimension as 3. Press OK. Will trim the extra part from here like this, and from here I will select the circular sketch pattern and will select this point here, and will select this one, and here I will give this value as 6 because we need 6 here, and press OK. Here I will make these boundaries of hexagonal as construction geometry because we don't require this, and here select this point and select this circle and make a relation pairs from here and hide this body. Press OK. I will hide this body, it has been hide, and also hide this one, From features I will select sweep, boss or base. I will select this one, and the path that it follows will be this circle. And from the options I will select the specify twist value, and from here I will select the revolutions and will give this value as 6. Now press OK from here. Now I will just unhide this body from here. Now we just require a part that will be at the bottom, and for this I will hide all these parts, hide and hide this one also. Now I will select the front plane, make it normal and sketch a rectangle here that will be a corner rectangle, and make this one and this one as vertical relation. Now we'll give this dimension as 60 mm and this dimension as 2. Press OK, and this dimension as 50 mm. Press OK, and from here I will choose a 3-point arc and select this one, and will give this value as 5. Press OK, and will trim the extra part that I don't require here, and will select a fillet here of 5 mm. Press OK, and will give this dimension so that our sketch will be fully defined. Press OK, and from here exit this sketch, or from features select revolve, boss or base from here. For this we just require axis and show this axis, and again revolve, boss or base, select this sketch, and from here clear this selection and select this axis. Now you can see this will be our bottom part of the fruit basket. Now you can see this, and from here I will show this body and this one also. Now our sketch has been drawn, and I will hide this axis. Now it looks better. Now I will just give color to our fruit basket. From here I'm choosing the green color. Press OK. Now it looks better. That was all about today's tutorial.